Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're well and having a really good day today. So today's video is so exciting because it is a BODYWORKS haul. Literally so excited. Thumbnail time. So there was quite a few different deals on when we went. I'm going to start off with candles because they're right in front of me, so why not? Let me see if I've got the receipts actually. So these candles were $10 off. They normally retail for $24.95. They were $10 off plus 20% off. So the first one I picked up was the pineapple crumb cake. Such cute packaging. That's Lambs, and then it's three wick candle. Oh, smells really nice and sweet. So the notes on this are golden pineapple, rich pound cake and sweet brown butter. So yeah, you can, when you first smell it, I don't feel like you can smell the pineapple, but if you like shut your eyes and give it a whiff, you can really smell the pineapple. It's so good. So we got that one. We also picked up vanilla bean, and this is in the, I think White Barn is like a certain packaging style, like this kind of sleek. I don't really need to explain vanilla bean, but it's so nice. The notes of this are Madagascar, vanilla bean, homemade marshmallow and fresh steamed milk. That does not sound nice, but it smells really nice, like really nice classic vanilla scent. So there's that one. And then I got champagne toast, which is this really pretty pinky, matches my top. I was going to say shirt like I'm American. Oh my god, this smells so good. Oh, it's very nice and sweet, but it has like bubbly taste. So the notes of this are bubbly champagne, sparkling berries and juicy tangerine. But this one's really nice. It's sweet, but it's not overly sweet. But that is lovely. And then I got one for my friend Natalie. Nat. Comes in a little box. And I picked up her the hot fudge sundae because she really likes the sweet scents. Oh my god, it literally smells like an ice cream sundae. Like you can smell chocolate and you can smell the fudge sauce. And the notes are gooey fudge, vanilla bean ice cream and whipped cream. She's absolutely gonna adore that. So, where do I start next? Let's do some hand soap. So the hand soaps were 5 for $23 and then an extra 20% off. So it worked out, I don't know, maybe like $4 per soap or something. So we got Aquamarine Shores. So they've got all like the spring scents out at the minute. This one is a deep cleansing hand soap. They've got different styles, so they've got like deep cleansing, foaming, creamy. We got Island Papaya, and I cannot wait to put one of these in my bathroom because I literally have no soap in there. I was waiting to film this haul. We got Japanese Cherry Blossom. So I'm not normally a fan of cherries, but this one, it doesn't really smell like cherry, but it smells really good. That looks empty. We got Peach Bellini, and this is a foaming hand soap. We've had this one before, it's really nice. And then this is the last one on the shelf, but this is raspberry and tangerine, again, foaming. So nice. And then let's get on to the body stuff. So body stuff was buy 3 and get 3 for free, and then it had the 20% off as well. I also got a bunch of pocket bags. These were 5 for $6, but I'll show you them. I'll do like a laser mount and do a pan just because it's easier to show you like that. Okay, so firstly for myself, and some of this is for my sister as well because I wanted to treat her, I got us both a In the Stars Fine Fragrance Mist, and this is one of their new scents, so I don't think it actually says anything on here, but it's quite, at first it's quite like musky and manly, but then it does dry down. It's very sweet, but it's not like overly sweet, it's like a sweet musky scent. So really like that scent. So I've got one for me and one for my sister, so I'm gonna put that in her little pile there. I got an Endless Weekend shower gel. I can't remember what this smells like. That's really nice. That again is slightly sweet, not overly sweet. I don't know if this says, no, it doesn't have the notes on or anything, but these contain shea butter, vitamin E and aloe to make your skin extra nice and soft. Also got a champagne toast body wash. So one of these is for me, one's going to be for my sister. So let me just see what one I prefer. Ooh, that's really nice. Ooh, I don't know what one I prefer. I'll have to double smell these later, but yeah, one for me, one for my sister. I'm not sure which yet. I got a At the Beach 24-hour ultra body cream with coconut oil. Ooh, that's really nice. That's like kind of coconutty, very nice. And these are nicer than the body lotions in my opinion. And then finally I got an In the Stars body wash because I literally love this scent. And then the next few things are for my friend Jodie because she wanted me to get her some stuff, so I'll just show you really quickly. So she got an In the Stars body lotion, In the Stars body wash, warm vanilla sugar fine fragrance mist, warm vanilla sugar body wash, warm vanilla sugar foaming sugar scrub. I really wanted this, but I do have quite a lot of scrubs at the moment, and this one was more expensive. This was $50, but maybe when I go back to Florida I'll get this. And then finally she got a warm vanilla sugar body cream. Yeah. And then obviously, like I said, I got all the pocket bags. I got, Jodie wanted this little holder as well. It's like a little unicorn. And then I will do a little pan of all my lovely pocket bags after the video. But yeah, that's everything that I got from Bath & Body Works. So I just tell you the totals. That's Vans, not Bath & Body Works. So the first transaction, $60.02, and the total discount was $50, and that was for one of the candles, and then the 3 buy 3 get 3 free, $67.12, and the discount was $43.45. And these were for all the hand sanitizers, and again a 3 for $3, 3 for $3, and I can't find the other receipt, but we did go twice. But yeah, yes, so that is my Bath & Body Works haul. I really hope you enjoyed. I cannot wait to go back in September so I can get all the full scents because they're my absolute favourite. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye.